Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now, kill the circuit breaker and verify 0 volts with a meter, safety first. Once confirmed, remove access panels and take clear photos of wiring for reconnection later. Check for burned insulation, loose terminals, and refrigerant leaks. Address obvious hazards before proceeding. If the compressor is hot, allow it to cool. Meanwhile, organize your tools. Multimeter, insulated drivers, a puller, and replacement start/run capacitor. Doing these steps now prevents delays and ensures you can move into diagnostic testing without stopping. You now diagnose methodically, measure winding resistance, and compare to the compressor nameplate. A shorted or open winding indicates motor failure. Once done, test start and run capacitors for microfarad value and equivalent series resistance. Replace any capacitor outside tolerance. Next, inspect bearings and rotor clearance. Feel for axial play and roughness, and manually spin the shaft if accessible. Noisy or seized bearings require bearing replacement or motor swap. Make sure to document each measurement so you know what parts to order next. You complete the repair by reinstalling panels, torquing terminals to spec, and replacing gaskets to prevent leaks. Once assembled, restore power and observe startup current, motor sound, and temperature rise for several minutes. A high starting amp or odd noises mean a remaining problem. If the unit trips or won't start, recheck wiring and capacitor values. If issues persist, plan a compressor replacement or call an HVAC professional. One key troubleshooting tip: measure locktroder amps versus nameplate. It tells you if the motor is mechanically bound or electrically unhealthy.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.